Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to our YouTube channel, baby. Haven't you guys missed us?
15,803 on their feet chanting, yes!
Yeah, exactly what we thought. But as you guys can see from the title of this video, I am currently in Peru. I am just currently doing some solo traveling. This is my first time solo traveling, and I'm not gonna lie, it's been amazing so far. It's been such a good experience. I'm currently here on my first night of Machu Picchu, so tomorrow I will walk back again, so I'm super excited for that. Fingers crossed the weather will be good. If you've clicked on this video based on the title of it and you are looking to go to Peru and to do some hiking and some trekking, then this video is exactly what you are looking for. So without further ado, guys, if you haven't already, hit that like button, smash that subscribe button. I'd appreciate it greatly, as much as these two cretins would, because unfortunately they are part of this channel as well. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment sections below of this video. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this video, guys. Peace.
Only got 12 hours in the late, no time to waste. We'll sneak up to the fire escape and wait for the rain. And most days, dear, you drive me insane playing your games. Why don't we both push past the pain so we can say we failed to meet me in the middle of midnight, me, you, my heart and the Hollywood sign. Can't help it. Making out a mall and drive, barely made it out alive, crashed my car on the sidewalk. We're selfish, we're melting, we're talking shit just to tell it. We're stupid, we're doing anything we can just to feel something. Just to feel something. Just to feel something. Got no plan, doing anything we can just to feel something. Hold me like it's the very last time, at least for tonight. Pull my hair and kiss my head and we'll get high. Skinny dipping from the Santa cup here. Sign our names into the sand so we remember.
Right, I don't know if you can see me or not, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm getting lost. Oh god, no tour guide, no nothing. I think I might have got ripped off. Bloody hell. Oh, it's bloody hot though. It might be dark, but it's still so hot. And oh man, it's bad enough getting lost, but getting lost in a whole nother country, fuck me, that's some scary shit.
Me, you, my heart and the Hollywood sign. Making out a mall and drive, barely made it out alive, crashed my car on the sidewalk. We're selfish, we're melting, we're talking shit just to tell it. We're stupid, we're doing anything we can just to feel something. Just to feel something. Just to feel something. Got no plan, doing anything we can just to feel something. Got 12 hours in the late, no time to waste. Why don't we both push past the pain so we can save it?
What's going on, everyone? So it is nearly 4 AM. I've just finished clubbing, and the reason why I've left early is because I have a ride to catch around 4:30 to my next tour, which is gonna be Rainbow Mountain. I don't know where the fuck I'm going. Fucking lost. The weather is awful right now. It's raining, and I'm probably not going to have any sleep. Woo. I'll see you guys later.
Just to feel something.